Hello, everyone. This is T6. Okay. From the packet, it's a multiple representation. So on this topic here, you're going to find the slope and equation from different, okay, from 2 points, from graph, and another way, okay, to find. Okay. So now let's start the problem right now. Let's start with the first question. Okay, first question, which is, let me look at that first question. The 17, question number 17. Okay, here we go. So on question 17, uh, it says here the table value shows linear relationship between x and y. So we have given table and four sets of points. So what's the slope of the line represented by the table value? So first thing I'm going to do is, if this is the given, I need to create a table. To create the table, I need to go to plus sign and then click the table. And I need to plug in the number or type the number -7, -2, 3, 8. Next part here it's 9, 1, -7, -15. Now, the next part I'm going to do is, remember, this is not given on your test. You need to remember y1, squiggly line, mx1 plus b. So now they're looking for slope. So I'm looking for slope. My slope is m. So I'm going to type m. It says -1.6. To convert this to fraction, I'm going to click this. Okay, so this is -8/5. So it's letter A. All right. The next question is going to be question number 18. Okay. So this time on question 18, I'm going to start from the beginning. Okay. Question 8 is worded problem, okay? But it gives, I, gives us 2 points. Okay, so what is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through the points -5 and 22 and 10 and -32? So the same thing I'm going to do is I need to create a table to input those numbers. So it's -5, and this is 22, 10, and -32. So make sure you're inputting the right coordinates, okay? Now, same thing, you need to memorize this, y1, squiggly line, mx1 plus b. So this is the line that was given to me by inputting this information here, no? So now they're asking us what is the slope of the line, or what's the equation of a line. So I'm going to write my m to verify my equation or the slope, convert this to fraction, and my b, which is 4, it's given here. So to verify this, I'm going to write y equals -18 divides 5 as my slope, x plus 4. If you notice, when I retype the equation, the initial graph, which is green, changed to red. It's overlapping. So it means my equation is correct. Okay. The third example that we're going to do is question number 25. Here we go. On question 25, it's similar to what we did right now, the second question. Okay. On question 25, the graph of a linear function is shown on the grid. There's a given graph. What is the rate of change of y with respect to x for this function? Remember, the word rate of change is the slope. There's an easy way to do this. You need to just do rise over run. Okay? Rise over run. Go up and go to the left. Okay? But now, since we had the Desmos, we can do that also. So the dots on the left, the dot on the left is -4 and 7. do 4 and 7. And the dot on the right, it's 4 and 1. Now, again, you can use the same, okay, use the same formula, mx1 plus b. They're asking for the slope, so I just need my m. My slope is this. So if I type m, gives you the decimal. If I click this, it gives me the fraction. So my answer here is -3/4 or letter D. Thank you.